Hi everyone, how are you? You ready? You ready? I'm preparing you. Tra la 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 bibbidi bobbidi boo. Woo! Put it together and what have I got? My dreams unboxing for you. Hit it, maestro! Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm so excited. It's my Bibbidi Bobbidi Box unboxing day today. Now that takes some saying. So, put my glasses on. I've got 2 boxes coming this month. Well, technically I've got 3 because I've got a snack box, but that hasn't arrived yet. But today I'm unboxing my Dreams box. And I love this box. It's $39. I'm sure it was $17 postage to get it to me in the UK, but what I love best of all is on the website, if you put in the box you want and you go all the way through, it will tell you how much it is for postage and packaging to you. So obviously it's a lot cheaper if you're in America, or if you're further away it might be more dearer. But I like that because you can try it out. So if you get one and you think, oh, that's not bad, maybe you can up it to the next box and then see what the shipping is for that, because I'm sure it's probably done on weight. Can't remember. I'll have to recheck it out when I go back in. But yeah, I'm sure this one is normally $17 for me to get here in the UK. But then we also, in the UK, we do have customs because we have to pay import and VAT charges, and good old Royal Mail postal service for processing it, which is £8 in itself. But my total fee was, I had to pay £8.49 VAT and £8 to the Royal Mail. So it cost me £16.49 for this box to get it here. So it's a lot to get the box in the UK, but you know what? A plane ticket's a lot more expensive. Do you not think? So, oh, I love this. I love this. I absolutely love this. Now, my Dreams box is random items. I don't know if my other box is going to be random items or if it's themed, because I've just changed my preferences to go back to random items. But I've got a feeling my other Bibbidi box, ooh, I didn't quite say that as normal, did I? I've got a feeling that one might be themed. And I'm quite hoping it is, because I'm going to open that one next Thursday the 18th, because that's my birthday. Not my birthday, but my channel's birthday. We'll have been going a whole year. So that's my celebration box next week. So this week we're opening our Dreams one. So shall we see what's in it? Right, where's my cutter? My box cutter's here, so let's open it up and have a look. Right, whoop. So let's open this. Okay, right, you ready? Okay, I saw something then, but I didn't, but I did. Oh, just not my ears. Right, my ears, I haven't told you, have I? Right, my ears are from Nikki, and Nikki's based over in the Wirral. So up, that's Liverpool way, isn't it, the Wirral? I think it's Liverpool way. I did A-level geography, why would I know? And her shop is made for mouse. And I always have to put my Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo ears on for my Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxings. Crikey, that was a lot of bees, wasn't it? So they're my fairy godmother ears. Look, and you can see the if I put my fringe down, you can see her wand and the stars of magic. So I love those. Right, so in my box, what have I got? I have got the Happy Spring, Happy Unboxing with the Mulan quote, "The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all." So I think we've all had those in here. Because this, although it's filmed in April, this is my March box. And down at the bottom there, you've got the Bibbidi Bobbidi Box's Instagram link. But down in the description on the video, I'll actually put their Instagram link and their website as well. So you can just click on that and it'll just take you straight there, save you having to look. But, right, okay. In here, I've got my spoiler alert, which is St. Patrick's Day Chip and Dale. But there's this in it. This is what I saw. A quick note about your box. By selecting less items would be fine as long as the value is the same. When you purchased your box, you let us know you're a quality over quantity type of subscriber. Definitely. I like special things. I'd rather have a couple of special things than lots of little things. This month's box contains fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. And it's done, it's like a photo. So it's a photo that's been sent to me. I love it. I love it. I think it's a fabulous subscription service. So, got my purple tissue paper with my Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. I'm getting quite good at saying that. I'm saying Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. Tra-la-la-la-la. So, let's tear it off. So, I got it off in one. Yay! I mean, seriously, look at the detail on there. You got the detail on there as well as on the box. So, yeah, right, so I think I've got 2 items, right. This box normally has 3, I think, so I've got 2, right. I think I've got a Tervis mug. I think this is what it is. You know I love my drinks containers. Oh, this is lovely. Girls, this is lovely. I have not seen this one. Where's this at? How much? I think this might be a small shop. Right, you ready? You ready for this? Are you ready for this? Do. It's going to be one of those days. I've not even had a lot of caffeine. Right, ready? Got my eye on you. Is that not a song? I've got my eye on you. It's Mike and Sully mashup. Look at that. Seriously, I mean, look at the bling. Look at the bling on that. The glitter. Oh my word. This, you've really outdone yourselves, girls. This is amazing. I love this. I really love this. I am so not accident proof. I'm accident prone in that I could, if it's not meant to be knocked over, I will knock it over. If it can be smashed, I'll have a jolly good go. So that's why I used the Tervis. And we've had people around for dinner before, and when we get wine out, I've had to buy a set of glasses, but I use the plastic wine glasses. And people are quite horrified that I drink wine out of plastic, but I know what I'm like, and I know what I'm like then if there's glass on the floor, I panic. So, but look, right, this is fabulous. I really, really, really like this, right. Inside, I'm gonna have to go on the website and check. It's steel inside, so I wonder if I can put coffee in it. If it's stainless steel, I think you can. What's it say on here? It's got DHS of, what's it? DHSO fabulousshop.com. DHSO fabulous, hand wash only. It's just fabulous. So it's stainless steel inside, and look at this lid. I like this. You know, some lids are like really like little bits, and you're trying to get it out, and it, look, just clear plastic. How fab is that? And it just slides. It's a slider again. That is truly amazing. That is truly amazing. I am so thrilled with that. Absolutely thrilled. And this is my point about subscription boxes. A lot of the subscription boxes that you can get, they just get the regular items, and well, regular items are fine. Where would I find that? How would I know that they made that? And these girls, they go beyond and above and beyond, and they go to all the small shops, and that's now my favourite. I mean, I've been ordering all the ones from Hong Kong, haven't I? And look at this. I absolutely love it. And the way it's blended, you've got Mike going into Sully. I mean, I know I'm going on and it's a drinks container. You're probably going, Karen, for heaven's sake, it's drinks. I think that's absolutely fabulous. I really, really, really love that. Couldn't have done any better, girls. Right, what else is in here? Right. Ooh! Okay. Okay, right, okay. Oh look, because there's actually something else in here as well. So there's 3 items. So I don't know if that's my extra one because I have the sparkle box. So I think that might be the sparkle box. I'm not sure. We'll see when we look at the spoiler, won't we? It'll tell me on there. We'll have a look. Right, so then, what's this? Oh, this is hilarious. Mouse-shaped balloon soap. I mean, I've not seen this. Look at this. Oh, this reminds me of the good old days when we used to have soap with rope through it so you could hang it up in the bath. I don't know if you had that in America. Right, let's have a look. Let's smell this. Oh, that's hilarious. I do love that. That's hilarious, right. Ooh, I think it's strawberry. No, it's not strawberry. What smell is that? It's like, I don't know. If anyone's just walked in and seen me sniff a plastic bag with ears on it, it's not a good look, is it? I don't know, it's really creamy. It's a bit like, oh, it's a bit like cookie dough, but it's sweeter. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's just hilarious. That's tickled my funny button, that has. That's a good one, isn't it? Funny button. I've got a funny button. Have you got a funny button? I've got a funny button. That's tickled me, that. Oh, I love that. I love that. That's really different. I think that's fabulous. Right, then, let's have a look. Oh, no, there's something else. Oh, right, so, and there's something else in here as well. And there's a little, I've got the little Death Star balloon with a stormtrooper, is that right? I'm going to the Star Wars opening. I need to get a book on that, don't I? Right, so look. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's lovely. Blake will pinch that off me, no doubt. But isn't that lovely? Although, that being said, in my office, I've got like my after hours party lanyards and all the lanyards we get for the events. And I'm sticking all my buttons on them because I don't want them in the drawer. I want to be able to see them, so that's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Now, I think this might be my sparkle box with a package. Which makes more sense because I've already got the box, doesn't it? And it costs less money, so I'm glad about that. That helps the girls. Right, so. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at this. Right. Hakuna Matata. It's a wonderful thing. Look, the first one. So that's a sticker. Oh, isn't that fabulous? No worries for the rest of your days, isn't it? No worries for the rest of your days. Do, 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 do. Oh, I really like that one. Then this. I mean, this is just perfect. It's Mickey and Duffy. Oh, where am I going in about 6 weeks? To Japan? Look at him, Sailor Mickey with Sailor Duffy, his teddy bear. That's just beautiful. That's a sticker as well. Oh, I love these. Right, okay. Let's look at this one. Okay, will you survive the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror? And you've got Mickey, Goofy and Donald, and in the reflection you can still see their faces as they're dropping in the lift. Can you see the faces in the reflection? I think you can there. Oh, isn't that clever? That's really, really clever. And that's a sticker as well. And then we have got the Powerline Standout Tour 95. Now, I'm not sure who the person is. There's no surprise there. Oh, tell me down below who that is. And that's another sticker. I just love these because you can't buy anything like these in the shops, can you? I love the way the girls invent these. I think they're fantastic. And then my decal, well, it's Mickey. I think it's his birthday one. Look at that. I love that. And I actually put mine on my fridge because my filing cabinets and my drawers in my office are all plastic. I buy the plastic ones. So I can move them around the office because obviously is in the UK as small. But as I put it in my fridge, isn't that fabulous? Oh, I love that. So that's my sticker box. That is my sticker box, I know that. Right, let's have a look at the spoiler. Woo! Let's see what it says on here. Crikey. Okay, yeah, okay. The Wonderland Magic Bath Company mouth shaped soap balloon. So that one was $7.95. But this, I mean, you can tell it's expensive, can't you? Because it's just quality. And that was $42. I absolutely adore these. Girls, if you're watching this, if they do other ones in my preferences, I'd love to have some more. This, it's just, yeah, it's stunning. I love this. I absolutely adore this. Definitely think that box was a winner, don't you? Definitely. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, next Thursday, it's my 1-year birthday on YouTube. And I'll be unboxing my Ultimate Magic box for you then, and see if it is themed or if it's regular items. I don't know which it'll be. But thanks so much. Be good, be kind. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you really soon. See you soon, everyone. Bye.